Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and this is part 2 of my series on long-lasting makeup. So stay tuned. Okay, this series is all about cheeks, blush, making sure that your face is beat on a regular. So I have a few products that I highly recommend because of their long-lasting ability and wearability. It's not that they cake up, crease, or mess up. No, they last the entire day. So I'm going to start off with my most reasonable brand. This one I found in Los Angeles, downtown LA. This is called Beauty Treats Matte Blush Palette. This palette may run about $5. It's very reasonably priced, inexpensive. The colors are beautiful and the pigmentation is fabulous. And for the price point, this lasts all day and you only need a little bit. Trust and believe. Next, I want to recommend Jacqueline Cosmetics, my cosmetic line. What I do is, this is a palette that I actually create. The shades are amazing. They are so vibrant and beautiful. Will not crease, will not fade. Very little that you need. I actually have it on today. This is the one I'm using right here. They come into these little platinum palettes. It's quite nice. You can get individuals. You can build your own, whatever you like. This color here is perfectly plum. And I kid you not, I just use a little and it is amazing. It stays on all day, all night. So next, I highly recommend that you have several in your collection so that if one day you want to do some orange, one day you want to do pinks, one day you're into mauve, you have everything you need. And because the price points on these palettes are so reasonable, you can build your collection a little bit at a time. And last but not least, I really only use these 3 brands, quite honestly, when it comes to blush. Every now and then I'll get a Milani blush, but 9 times out of 10, I am really going to and grabbing for these. This here is Morphe's blush palette, one of them. And this is a series of more of the burnt orange, natural browns, beautiful hues, some pinks, but it's more of a natural look. This stuff lasts like until I wash it off at night. Trust and believe. So I love this palette. This one is called, this is number 8W as in Wilson. Okay. Next, this is Morphe as well. I love their blush palettes. I think I have all of them. So this one here, it's beautiful. It's these rich hues. Lovely colors, very pigmented. Some have a little shimmer in them. My preference is I will add my own shimmer, but it's so minimal. It's wonderful. And you can see this is so dusty. I use this all the time. And this one here is 8C. So what I recommend is that you have a good primer. So you want to make sure that you're doing all the steps prior to your blush correctly. You want to prime your skin. You want to make sure that you have a good foundation. You want to conceal, highlight, and contour. And then you want to put your blush on. That's the order that I do. And I have some wonderful brushes. Most of them are either IT Cosmetics, Morphe, Sephora, but I usually go in with the slanted brush because I find that that works best for me, and go upward. And I kid you not, effortless. And then I do use a setting spray. I tend to be reaching for Jeffrey's because I have it right here, but use a setting spray once you complete all the steps in your makeup. I love you guys. I wanted to make sure I gave a shout out and a recommendation for the long-lasting, long-wearing makeup for the cheeks. So stay tuned to future reviews on these long-wearing makeup items that I highly recommend. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to click the JB and subscribe to this happy little family. We'd love to have you. Every Wednesday, we upload a new video, and you can click the bell and be notified every time we do. Also, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Check out Jacqueline's Beauty blog. On the blog, we have a lot of great information, and also my products are available to purchase. My products are available for purchase. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.